Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's May 11th, Friday morning, and day after the USDA report. We'll probably see some adjusting of spreads again today as the surprise in the old crop corn ending stocks was negative to the July, and we've seen some of that overnight as the nearby contracts were a little weaker than the deferred contracts in corn. We'll see some spreading also in the soybean complex, but the news that everybody's talking about here this morning is coming from the macro markets, the outside markets. If you haven't seen the headlines, J.P. Morgan lost $2 billion in investments. That has got European bank stocks under pressure. It's got crude oil under pressure again this morning. We also just had the PPI out for April here in the U.S., showing also a slowdown in the economy and wholesale prices, and that suggesting we could see some pressure here from outside markets, or if we don't see any selling pressure, it'll be a lack of buying enthusiasm is might be a better way to describe it. Also, from the fundamental standpoint, Europe, eastern Ukraine is still dry. There's rain in the forecast there for next week now, but only 50% coverage. So there is some concerns with dryness in eastern Ukraine yet in the wheat growing area, and that could support the wheat prices here in the U.S. Planting progress out on Monday afternoon. Should see a pretty good planting progress on corn as we near the proverbial completion of about 90%. So that we should be moving very well there. Talking to producers last night and this morning, many are finishing up on corn here today, and if not by the end of the weekend. The soybean planting progress should also be excellent, as weather is going to give us an opportunity to get these crops in the ground. The interest of demand is going to be a big question here in the July contract. The corn, when will the buyers come in and buy some more grain? I think we still have got the same situation as we had before the USDA report, and that's we've got very tight supplies of corn in old crop. Bins are empty in most cases. There may be a few loads in the bottom of the bins, but we still are going to have to keep prices strong in order to track the grain away from farmers as we move through the next several weeks. Supplies are still extremely tight, and end users that are in immediate need of grain are going to have to pay up for it until we get this new crop corn harvested, or at least until we see that the new crop corn is going to be as big a crop as the USDA suggested here on this report yesterday. So expect basis to be strong. Basis overnight was higher in central Illinois yesterday. It's up by a penny. So we did see some, we still believe that cash will be king here for a period of time in the corn complex. In the livestock trade, cash markets still at a standoff. Packers are bidding about 117, 118, and feedlots are asking 121, 123. Cutout values certainly did not help the case for the feedlots here overnight, as yesterday afternoon cutout values in beef were down. Choice was down 159, select down 209 yesterday. So tightening the cutout values, tightening packer margins again, and giving them less of a reason to go out and bid up for cattle. In the pork complex, cutout values there were higher, up 196. The first day that we've seen some excellent increase in product value in pork, and we've seen some support come into the futures market off of that. However, this morning, with weakness in pretty much the entire commodity complex, hogs are holding in there at steady to slightly lower, cattle down 50 to 60 as we speak. And it's going to be key to where we close this week out. If we can close on a firm note in the cattle and hogs, it gives us a suggestion that maybe we have seen a seasonal low in here, but with the early indications, we're going to need some help to get this market stronger here by the end of the day. So a lot of things going on again, and a lot of things affecting these markets that if you got any questions, give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538, or check us out on Twitter where you can just look for Allendale and be able to find us, and or just subscribe to the Allendale Research Center, and we'll keep you updated. So we wish everybody a very successful trading day, safe weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.